Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Install the latest Waze app and Android Auto app from Google Play. Open each app and accept permissions for location, microphone, and notifications. Enable Android Auto on your phone in Settings under Connected Devices or Apps. Choose Wireless Setup only if your car supports wireless Android Auto. Use a high-quality USB cable if you prefer a wired connection for stable performance. Keep phone screen unlocked during the first connection to complete pairing and prompts. Plug in the USB cable or complete wireless pairing to connect to Android Auto. Wait for the Android Auto home screen to appear on your car display. Select the Waze icon on that home screen to launch the app. If Waze does not appear, open Android Auto settings and set Waze as the preferred navigation app. Grant microphone access when prompted to enable voice commands and hands-free searching for destinations and stops. Start navigation by entering an address or selecting a saved place in Waze. Use voice command by saying OK Google or tapping the microphone icon to keep hands-free. Follow lane guidance and ETA displayed on the car screen for safer driving. Accept reroutes from Waze when traffic conditions change to save time. Report hazards, traffic, or police by tapping the on-screen report button only when safely stopped. Adjust volume.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.